Your pores are not dirty. Let that sink in for a second, because if you've been scrubbing your face raw every morning, squeezing until your skin goes red, or spending money on strip after strip that pulls off nothing but the top of a blackhead and leaves the root sitting right there laughing at you, then no one has told you the truth yet. And that truth is this: you are not fighting blackheads. You are fighting a process your skin is running on its own. And until you understand that process, nothing you buy will fix it. Blackheads are not dirt. They are not a sign that your face is unwashed. They are oxidized sebum, your skin's own oil, that has filled a pore, hit the air, and turned dark through a natural chemical reaction. The color is not grime, it is biology. And this matters because the moment you start treating blackheads like a hygiene problem, you start over-cleansing, which strips your skin, which triggers your skin to produce more oil to compensate, which fills more pores, which gives you more blackheads. You see the trap. Think of your pores like small pipes. They are always moving material. Oil, dead skin cells, moisture, up and out. The problem only happens when that material gets backed up, when the flow slows down, when dead cells pile up at the opening, when oil thickens faster than it can clear. Your job is not to tear the pipe open. Your job is to keep it flowing. And this is where it gets interesting, because once you shift that mindset, the entire routine changes step by step. Step 1, the oil cleanse. This is the step most people skip because it sounds backwards, putting oil on a face that already has too much oil. But here is what's actually happening. Oil dissolves oil. A good cleansing oil massaged gently onto dry skin for 60 to 90 seconds breaks down the sebum sitting inside your pores far more effectively than any foaming cleanser can. It is chemistry, not magic, dissolves. And that slow massage motion, not aggressive, not fast, just firm circular strokes, creates warmth that softens the oil inside the pore so it releases more easily. Pro tip, do this on completely dry hands and a completely dry face. The moment water enters the equation, the cleansing oil emulsifies and stops penetrating. Give it the full 90 seconds before you rinse. Step 2, the second cleanse. Yes, you cleanse twice. The first cleanse pulled out oil-based impurities. Now you use a gentle, pH-balanced water-based cleanser to clear everything else, the residue, the surface dead cells, the remnants of the oil cleanser itself. This is where a lot of people over-cleanse. You do not need foam, you do not need that squeaky clean feeling. In fact, if your face feels tight after washing, that is your skin barrier telling you it has been stripped. A good cleanse should feel like nothing, just clean, neutral, balanced. Step 3, the exfoliation, but not the kind you're thinking. Most people reach for a physical scrub. Beads, grains, sugar, whatever feels satisfying to drag across the skin. And here is what I need you to understand. Physical scrubs do not unclog pores, they polish the surface. They can actually create micro tears in the skin, which leads to inflammation, which leads to breakouts. The exfoliation that actually clears blackheads happens chemically. BHA, beta-hydroxy acid, most commonly salicylic acid, is oil-soluble, which means it goes into the pore, not just across the top of it. It dissolves the dead skin buildup that is capping the opening and causing the backup. 2 to 3 times a week after your second cleanse, apply a low-concentration BHA, around 2%, and leave it on. Do not rinse it, let it work. And here is where most people go wrong. They use it every single day. More is not better. Over-exfoliating destroys your skin's natural turnover cycle and damages the barrier. 2 to 3 times a week, that is it. Step 4, the clay mask, timed correctly. Once a week, not more, use a kaolin or bentonite clay mask on the areas where blackheads concentrate. Clay absorbs excess sebum from inside the pore and tightens the appearance of the opening temporarily. But here is the critical timing detail no one mentions. Remove the mask before it dries completely. When clay dries to a hard shell on your face, it begins pulling moisture out of your skin cells, not just the oil you want it to remove. You want it to come off when it is still slightly tacky. That is the window. Pro tip, mist your face with a little water halfway through if you feel it tightening too fast. Keep the process controlled. Step 5, lock it in. After exfoliation or masking, your skin is open, slightly vulnerable, and ready to absorb. This is when you apply niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3 that regulates sebum production at the source, visibly tightens the look of pores over time, and calms any inflammation. Give it 60 seconds to absorb. Then seal everything with a ceramide-based moisturizer, because ceramides rebuild the barrier, and a healthy barrier is the single most important factor in long-term clear skin. If your barrier is damaged, dry patches, sensitivity, redness, no routine in the world will fix your blackheads. The skin will keep overproducing oil to protect itself. The pores will keep clogging. Moisturize, always. The mistakes, because even people who know this routine get it wrong. Mistake 1, squeezing. I know, it is satisfying. It feels like you're solving the problem. But squeezing without proper preparation pushes material deeper into the pore, creates inflammation, and can permanently stretch the pore opening. If you are going to extract, which should be rare, do it after a warm shower when pores are relaxed, with clean hands or a proper tool, and never force it. Mistake 2, using too many actives at once. Retinol, BHA, AHA, vitamin C, niacinamide. These are not a team. Some of them fight each other, some of them overwhelm the skin when layered carelessly. Build your routine with 1 or 2 actives and give your skin time to tell you what it needs. Mistake 3. Expecting overnight results. Blackheads form over weeks. They clear over weeks. Any product promising results in 3 days is selling you on sensation, not science. Here is what you actually walk away with today. Oil cleanse first, 60 to 90 seconds, dry face, dry hands. Follow with a gentle pH balance cleanser. Exfoliate with BHA 2 to 3 times a week and let it sit. Use clay once a week and pull it off before it's fully dry. Finish with niacinamide and ceramides every single time. That is the routine, not the one that feels dramatic, the one that works. Thank you for watching.